Next, we move on to specification number 11, which asks us to describe the methods by which HIV may be controlled. In this section, we will look at strategies to prevent HIV infection, reduce its spread, and manage the disease in those already infected. Controlling HIV focuses on reducing its spread through several key measures. One important approach is limiting the number of sexual partners. Having fewer partners reduces the chances of encountering someone who is infected, which lowers the overall risk of transmission. Another crucial method is avoiding unprotected sex and using condoms correctly. Condoms act as a barrier that prevents the exchange of infected body fluids. Using them consistently and correctly greatly reduces the risk of HIV and other sexually transmitted infections. Getting tested regularly is also essential. Testing after unprotected sex or after having multiple partners helps detect infections early. Early diagnosis allows timely treatment and prevents the virus from being passed on to others. Finally, raising awareness through education programs plays a vital role. Lessons, campaigns, and media messages teach people how HIV and other STIs are transmitted and how they can be prevented. Increased knowledge encourages safer behavior and helps lower infection rates. If a person is already infected with HIV, it is managed by taking antiretroviral therapy or ART regularly. ART reduces the amount of virus in the body, helps maintain the immune system, prevents progression to AIDS, and lowers the risk of transmitting the virus to others. Regular medical checkups and a healthy lifestyle also support long-term management.